Once upon a time, in the vibrant landscapes of Angola, there lived a young girl named Aida. Growing up in a small village surrounded by lush greenery and the rhythmic beats of African drums, Aida's childhood was a celebration of community, storytelling, and the rich cultural tapestry that painted the heart of Angola. In Aida's village, traditions were passed down through generations, and every evening, families gathered around the fire to share tales of ancient legends and the wisdom of their elders. Aida, with her sparkling eyes, absorbed every story, captivated by the magic that danced in the air. One day, as Aida explored the dense jungles that embraced her village, she stumbled upon a hidden waterfall that glistened like diamonds in the sunlight. Behind the waterfall, Aida discovered a secret cave adorned with ancient paintings, telling the stories of Angola's past, present, and future. Deep inside the cave, Aida encountered a wise old tortoise named Kaya. Kaya spoke of the resilience and strength of the Angolan people, sharing stories of overcoming challenges, the vibrant diversity of the land, and the importance of unity. Inspired by Kaya's wisdom, Aida realized that she carried the power to shape Angola's future. Aida returned to her village, determined to make a positive impact. With the help of her friends, she organized community projects, planted colorful gardens, and started a storytelling club for the village children. Aida's efforts not only brought the community closer, but also instilled a sense of pride in their cultural heritage. As the years passed, Aida's village blossomed into a haven of unity, where the echoes of laughter and the vibrant colors of Angolan fabrics filled the air. The secret waterfall and the ancient cave became symbols of the community's strength and the wisdom that flowed through the veins of Angola. And so, in the heart of Angola, Aida's story unfolded like the pages of a cherished book, a tale of cultural pride, community bonds, and the magical connection between the people and the land they called home.